price. I'm not known, but I'm on my way. By the way, I roll up these dice. You can tell I don't gamble, only put dough on shit I know like. The back of my hand, perhaps you like to shoot craps. Well, if that's your vice, I hope you win. Throw caution to win. Stay up all night, at least till 10. But if we do, we sleeping and this match is nice. My cash is ashes to ashes, burn fast as passenger flights. Don't own no passenger, go 500 asking. Am I right? Got people praying that passion alone will last them. That's alright. You gotta fall a couple times to be a winner. Flashing lights. The jackpot is singing. It's spring and the summer. Gon' crack some ice. The temperature rising. Take on advisement. It's your life. I'm more grown, so no more bitching and whining. Sonoma, right?
In this video, we are going to take a look at my Walther PDP Pro Compact, which has quickly become one of my favorite handguns I've had on the channel so far. After training with it for a couple of months now, I can easily say this setup is incredibly smooth shooting, reliable, and just so well done. We will go over the main build, talk about what I added to make it better for me, and more. The best way to support the channel is by becoming a member of the kit page, where I provide discount codes and organize all the links to everything that I talk about on the channel, and that is the first link below. This is a little off topic, but I've been getting a lot of questions about it. I did just make a kit specifically for how to build an AR, so if you've been looking for that, that is now on the channel. Big thanks to the sponsors, HSL Ammo, who supplies all of the ammo you see me shoot. They have some of, if not the best bulk ammo pricing available, especially with my code below. I trust them. I love this company. And of course, Optics Planet, thank you so much. Again, I have discount codes for both of them below. Make sure you check below for the full disclosure. Let's get into this build. This really isn't going to be a super long video, but I'll still go over everything I usually do. Starting with the base, we have the Walther PDP Pro Compact, and this is the SD version, which stands for suppressor designation. It's basically just a fancy way of saying that it comes with a threaded barrel, and the Pro means it comes with their dynamic performance trigger and the magwell. The Pro SD is so hard to not overhype because of how good of a product you get out of the box. The ergonomics of the grip is so comfortable, the mag capacity is incredible. The trigger is, to me, one of the best stock handgun triggers I've felt from a striker fired pistol, and overall the quality and other features included are so worth what you're paying. It comes optic ready, multiple mags, an included magwell with the Pro version, multiple back inserts. It's just a great handgun right out of the box. I have honestly been thoroughly impressed, but we will talk more about that in a second. As for the upgrades I made, we have the Harrington Arms comp, which has been fantastic so far. I've run these for years on other builds and they are great. You saw in the intro just how flat it was shooting. I am definitely critical of running comps on handguns because at the end of the day, you're still shooting 9mm out of a short barrel, and mitigating muzzle rise has more to do with how much you train rather than the comp, in my opinion. I do think they do something, but don't be surprised when you don't get results if you don't train. Anyway, the product itself is well made. I like Harrington a lot. The red dot I'm running is from HoloSun, and it's the 508T, which is one of my favorite options from them. It's basically the Trijicon Armor of HoloSun. Really well made, full of features including multiple reticle options and solar power. Not sure if they're on the same level reliability wise as Trijicon, but mine have always held up well, so take that for what it's worth. I do love the 508T though. The light I'm running is the Surefire X300 Turbo, which is one of my favorite handgun light options, mostly because holster compatibility is so prevalent, as well as it's a beast of a light. Even at 100 yards, this thing throws light and it illuminates the target so well during my training sessions. It's a fantastic option. The only thing I really don't love about these is their pressure switch, but I feel like once you get used to it, it's really not that bad. The holster I'm running is from Tier 1 Concealed, which, by the way, I have one of the only discount codes for Tier 1, so if you want that, it's available for kit page members, but this holster is fantastic. I run mine on the hip with a Safariland leg shroud. Huge fan of this setup. And that's basically the build, though I do want to go into why this thing is so awesome and some of the things I love about it, starting with their insanely impressive Pro trigger. There are so many good things that I can say about this thing. The wall is very clear, the brake is extremely clean, the reset is one of the best I've felt, very strong. It almost acts like a trampoline to help your follow-up shots be way quicker. The trigger overall is just incredible. Well done. The grip is probably the next most impressive aspect of this because it just molds to your hand. It's so comfortable. Not only that, the texture is so grippy but not abrasive, if that makes sense. It's just really perfectly balanced. I also love the extended slide lock lever, which makes sending the slide forward so intuitive and easy, and somehow it never feels like it's in the way. It's just a great design overall. Everything feels balanced and well thought out. I can absolutely recommend this thing, especially with how I built it out here. Such a cool handgun. If I had to compare this to something else out there right now, it's basically a Gen 6 Glock 45, only it comes with a better trigger, better grip ergonomics, has better mag capacity, and is less expensive. Kudos to Walther for making a fantastic gun. That's all I really have to say about it for now. I'll keep you updated on my opinion as time goes on, but for now, I think this thing is fantastic. Of course, make sure you get out to the range to train with the intention of becoming more capable of preserving innocent life. Let me know if you have any questions about this build, and I will see you in the next one.